So parang naputol ako, sorry. So parang dagdag na lang to. So sabi ni Jesus Christ, doon sa mga Christians, mga true Christians, okay ha, now there would come a time when he talked to that woman, this Samaritan woman, and the Jacob's well, di ba? So nandun yun sa gospel na he says there would come a time that his people or his bride or his people, Christian people, will pray in spirit na to God. Yun na yun. So, ito na yun. So, if you're in this level na, saludo ko. Okay? Mga Christians, mga true Christians dyan, saludo ko sa inyo. Kasi, ano na to eh. Ito na yung level na talagang huwa ka na sa sa relationship niyo with God. Ito na yung best part, and then you go top in pa, or diba? So on the soul level, you uh, you declare na you have dominions also. You have the authority on the dominions that is created by God. So yun na yung maski moon yan or sun, makakuha ka ng energy. Pero true ano lang yan, hanggang soul lang talaga yan. So, and to your, kung ano ka pa, younger Christians, hindi ka pwedeng mag-spiritual agad. So, try to meditate. So, parang ano lang yan muna. Then, as you grow old as a true Christian, as a believer, as a born-again Christian, yan na. You can go on the spiritual prayers na that nandyan sa iyo na yung pinapagminggan ka na malapitan ng yung Holy Spirit, ng ating Holy Spirit. Okay guys? So, yun ang update. So, it was really good an experience today. Having the sun again rises. So I claim the energy coming from it, and I try to regain my circadian rhythm, my body clock, my energy and frequency, diba? So yan yung mga ganon. Saka na yun later siguro mamayang gabi or what, na yung intimate prayers for spiritual na naman. Okay. So good. In my part, I'm very happy na parang binigyan ako ulit ng chance ng Panginoon sa second life. I'm so happy guys talaga na at least makapag-share na ako ng mga ano ko, kasi somewhere along yan may mga downloads yan na sinasabi nila eh. So parang binibigyan ka, ina-arm ka ni Holy Spirit, and that's something that I need. So parang ganun din yan. So like for example, diba sabi nga ng mga scientists is yung human capacity in our brain and heart is not yet tapped into the fullest. You know what it means, diba? So kung 30% lang yan na nagamit natin, then I would say actually na parang na exceed ko na yan somehow. Kaya nga hindi ko alam kung ilang percentage na. Kaya nga marami akong knowledges na wisdom gained. And even in my profession, kakain mo guys, I've started na wala pang Windows halos. Wala pa talaga sa career ko. Ganon. Yung Windows namin is a Windows Group. 3.5 something, parang gano'n. Wala pang GUI yun, yung Windows 95, 98, 2000, ngayon, Windows 20, ay hindi ko, basta 19, pag ganun, mga ganun Windows. And then yung wala pang Cisco noon sa networking, ang networking namin noon is ano pa, Nobel. Which is hindi alam ng mga bagong IT yan. So imagine yung mga pag-adjust ko, marami nang nawala kasi they stick pa. They wanted to, they don't want